Hi everyone, it's Miss King. Today I'm teaching you how to blend with acrylic paint. So before we start, I'm going to tell you what you need. So any kind of paper, I have 8.5 by 11 printer paper. You might want newspaper for underneath. I have white paint because that makes it easier when you're starting to blend. I have purple and a turquoise, but I'm going to use purple because you want to use lighter colors. It'll be easier to start. And then you need a container with some water. And I also have a medium-sized paintbrush. It's just from the dollar store, so nothing fancy. Okay, so we're gonna do blending. You can do it with acrylic paint or tempera paint. I just had acrylic at home. Okay, so you're gonna make 2 lines. So I'm gonna start with the purple. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the white. And you're going to be blending them together. Alright, so I'm going to start with the purple and blend down into the white. So I'm just going to put a bit of water first. Okay, so all you're doing here is just getting the purple paint to start touching the white. So you're just dragging it down. Okay, so just keep going. You can go right to the edges if you want. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so when you are about to touch the white paint, you should almost be running out of paint. And then, once I touch it, okay, so I just got some white paint, then I'm going to go all the way back up to the top. So you want to do like an up and down the ladder kind of motion. You don't want to stop and start once you've started blending. Okay, now I'm going to grab more white paint and go back up. And back down. So every time you should see it blending a little bit more. And this isn't easy, so if your first time it's not perfect, that's okay. I'm going to add some water because you don't want it to be like difficult to do. Okay. Just keep going up and down. You notice how I'm not stopping and starting because that makes it look funny. So yeah, as I said, you want to choose lighter colors when you're just starting. So like this lilac or like pink or yellow. Something that's not too strong of a color because it won't blend very easily. You have to be pretty good at the technique to do that. It's going pretty well. Add more water. So I just grabbed a ton of white paint. It's okay because it'll blend out. What you eventually want is for it to blend right into white. So, almost at that point. Now I'm just going to kind of blend it out. Grab a bit of water. So as you can see, it's not perfectly white because I mixed so much purple into it, but you could just add white paint and make it more white at the bottom. So that is my blend. I'm not really an artist, so it's kind of a beginner one, but there it is. So once it's dried, you can do a whole bunch of things with it. You can cut it up and make it into something artistic or just leave it as it is, but that is the blending technique. Thanks.